Hey guys, what's up? Are you having trouble in seeing the Instagram reels and the reels are not showing on your Instagram and you don't know what to do? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to fix if your Instagram reels are not showing. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, the very must and the first reason that Instagram reels are not showing may be that you are using the outdated version of Instagram. So you have to update to Instagram latest version as soon as possible. For that, jump ahead to Google Play Store. At the top in the search bar, simply search for Instagram and write, and then once you will search for it will give you two different options: open or update. If it says update, you need to update your app as soon as possible, because updating your app usually fix all the bugs and glitches inside the app. Once you are done, your issue will be resolved. But unfortunately, if it doesn't get resolved, the second option is to go to your settings, scroll down a little bit, tap on apps. Once you are on the app section, you simply have to search for Instagram. Once you are on the Instagram information page, here you will see the option of storage and cache, so simply tap on that. And here at the top you will get two different options: clear storage and clear cache, so simply tap on them. It will not delete any of your account history or post or videos that you have posted on your account, but it will only delete all the bugs and glitches inside the app and allow you to use a newer and fresher version of the app. And after these two options, hopefully your issue will be resolved. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.